What's up guys, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your Hamster Kombat Coin. Please make sure you watch until the end of the video because at the end I'm going to show you and tell you something very important for the listing at the 26th of September. So let's dive into it right now. So first you go to your Hamster Kombat app, then you click on airdrop and here you see the exchanges. And we're going to start off with Binance and you need to have an account for this. So I click on yes, I have it. And here you can see you need to paste in a deposit address and a memo. And it is important for you to go to the Binance app for that. Make sure you're logged in and set up with everything. And here you're going to search for Hamster. If Hamster is not popping up for you, then you need to use a VPN. And I have another video about that. So look at my channel for that video if this doesn't work out for you. As you can see now, I'm just showing you how the deposit of the address and the memo looks like. But as I said, if you don't see anything in Binance, so no Hamster, that means that you're in the wrong region or not eligible region. So watch that other video of mine. But to continue for the video, we have Binance right now set up when you click on Save and Choose. So now we go back and we go to OKX. We click on OKX. You need to have an account for this as well, of course. If you don't have it, create it. But I have it. So let's go to the OKX app for this. And this is actually the same as Binance. You need to be in an eligible country. And I believe that the most countries of Europe aren't eligible. So if that's the case, you won't be able to find Hamster Coin. And if that's the case, then I would suggest that you watch my other video on my channel where I'm going to show you how you can work around this so that it will work in the end. But for now, we paste in the details from OKX, just like I'm doing right now. And then you click on Save and Choose when you have everything filled in, and then you're good to go for OKX. And then let's move on to BYBIT exchange, the last one we're going to show you in this video, the last crypto platform. We need to have an account for this as well, just like the other two. I have it, and in here you just click on Hamster. And for BYBIT, it is the same as I just told you for the, if it doesn't pop up for you, use a VPN, but I think the most of you guys are able to do it. And then just collect the details from BYBIT, paste them in Hamster Kombat, just like I'm doing right now. And that is basically how it works, guys. You just click on Save and Choose. And then you're good to go, and then everything is linked. So if this video helps you out, please leave a like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.